In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide files inside Google Drive. This can be incredibly useful for those of us who have sensitive information we'd like to keep a little more private. Whether you're trying to secure work documents or personal files, this method is a simple way to get some additional privacy. Now, let's jump right in and guide you through the steps you'll need to follow. First off, make sure you're logged into your Google Drive account. You can do this simply by opening your preferred browser, going to Google, and clicking on Drive in the top right corner. Once you're inside your Drive, locate the file or folder that you want to hide. Simply use the search bar at the top or navigate through your folders to find what you're looking for. When you've found it, right-click on the particular file or folder. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you several options, such as moving the file, downloading it, and more. What you want to do is click on Get Link. This is a crucial step because you want to control who can view or access this file. A window will appear showing the sharing settings for your file. You'll see Restricted or something like Anyone with the link, depending on your default settings. If it isn't already set to Restricted, you need to change it. Click the link sharing settings, and from the drop-down menu, select Restricted. What you're doing here is ensuring that only specific people can access this file if they have permission. Remember, this doesn't move the file to some secret vault. It just makes it invisible to those who don't have the link. Once it's set to Restricted, you can click Done to save your changes. This means that your file or folder won't show up in searches for anyone who doesn't have explicit access. If, however, you need to share this hidden file at some point, it's a straightforward process. Go back to the Get Link option, click Copy Link, and then you can paste this link into an email or message to send it to someone with whom you want to share access. Remember, they'll still need your permission to view it, so make sure you authorize them in the sharing settings. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to hide files in your Google Drive. This method keeps your information a bit more secured, but also provides easy access when needed. Always make sure your Google account credentials are strong and secure, as they remain your first line of defense in protecting your files. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips like this.